Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 30th, and this is my analysis of the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the Euro Yen, I think there's a pretty good chance this wave 3 is over. I'm very interested to see what the monthly candle is going to look like at close tomorrow. If the monthly candle closes anything like it is now, then I would say that the wave 3 is very likely to be over, and we're very, very likely to be in a wave 4, which I think the wave 4 will go at least to the 38% fib and probably last at least 6 to 8 months before we make another push up for a wave 5. So keep all that in mind, taking it down to the weekly time frame. Also be aware that we have JPY interest rate news this evening, which for me it's in the middle of the night. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning. But if that's a good time zone for you, then definitely make sure you check that out. And we also have US dollar interest rate news tomorrow, which the yen is a risk on, risk off currency, so it definitely will be affected by the dollar news also. As of right now, if this really is the end of a wave 3, then we are probably not even close to being done with the wave A of wave 4. I really think this is more likely probably going to end up looking something like this over the long run, and it should be like an ABC of wave 4. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, there's definitely no reason to think this downtrend is over. We have no break of structure. We have no higher low. This impulsive move up is not telling me that anything is over. It's probably just a correction to the last wave down. So I definitely am still looking for shorts. I actually think that if this really is a wave A, then it's way too small to be a complete wave A. It's probably going to look more like that. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here. I actually think this is very likely an A, this is very likely a B, and we're going up for a wave C. If anybody did watch my analysis yesterday on this, then you probably had a pretty nice little long opportunity because I said yesterday that we were probably going to end the wave B and go up for a wave C. I personally am waiting patiently for the end of a correction to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I think we are very clearly in a wave C right now. I am definitely not going to go long now. I mean, if you went a long way down here, then that's a really good trade. I would expect it to go at least to the 50, maybe even the 61.8. With the fact that we got that JPY news coming out tonight, I think there's a very good chance that we're going to end the correction and most likely end up continuing the downtrend. If you see it bounce from a Fibonacci level, if you see a nice big engulfing move to the downside, especially if you can identify a break of structure, that's exactly what I would be looking for a sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.